Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the display and brightness. Now let's find eye comfort and sleep. And here let's focus on this eye protection. Let's leave the sleep health alone. So we have to tap on this switcher to turn on the eye comfort, and right now we've got the smart mode, which means that your device will automatically adjust the screen color depending on the light conditions around you, or you can set the custom option, which means that you can customize it. So here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer, so it's up to you of course. You can also schedule that feature, so just tap on scheduled and you can choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. Let's go back. And display effects, we can also change it. The color, which means that of course your device will display the colors and they will be affected by the mode, and you can set it black and white, which means that everything will be displayed in a monochromatic way. Here in this preview you can check how it will look like. So of course it's totally up to you how you want to use it. So this is how it works, this is how to customize it, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and find the eye comfort. So all you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.